Transform your breakfast experience with coffee pancakes. Picture this. You wake up to the enticing scent of freshly brewed coffee blending with warm, fluffy pancakes. It's a total game changer. Gather your essentials: soft flour, sweet sugar, fluffy baking powder, a touch of salt, creamy milk, fresh eggs, and that all-important brewed coffee. In one bowl, whisk together the dry ingredients, and in another, mix the wet ones. Combine them gently, no vigorous stirring. This is crucial for achieving those light, airy pancakes. Heat your skillet until it's just right. Pour in the batter and watch as bubbles begin to rise. That's your signal to flip. In no time, you'll have a stack of golden, mouth-watering coffee pancakes ready to energize your morning. The first bite? Absolute bliss. The rich coffee flavor brings an exciting twist that will awaken your taste buds. Feeling inspired? Tap that like button and showcase your pancake masterpieces. This recipe is bound to wow your friends and family. Make sure to subscribe for more delicious recipes that will turn every breakfast into a memorable feast. Get ready to relish each bite and enjoy the ultimate morning delight. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com, 3coffee lover.